Grouping in Survey Analytics refers to putting one or more filters on your dataset. To get started, having first chosen the survey we want to work with, we'll click on Reports, and then Data Segmentation from the Advanced Analysis menu. Click on New Data Filter and give it a name. The first data segment type we'll discuss is responses to the survey. We use response-based grouping to put a filter on our data based on responses to a single question, such as which of our respondents chose chocolate as their favorite flavor of ice cream. We can further specify to the report we'll produce, following the same process, but also taking the and/or logic question into consideration. Let's add 2 more filters to this group to find which of our male respondents between the ages of 25 and 30 chose chunky chocolate as their favorite flavor of ice cream. Then click on Finish and Continue. Now we'll see the new group's been added to the current data segments. Next, let's look at time-based filtering. Give it a name, and just as it sounds, time-based filtering creates segments of data based on when the survey was completed. For example, if we'd like to create a time-based group to collect responses from the last week of February, we'll choose those dates using the Calendar tool. Then we click on Finish and Continue. You'll see our new group's been added to the Customized Data segments, where we can rename it by clicking on Rename. Lastly, we'll look at system variable-based grouping. Survey Analytics allows you to create groups based on internal system variables. Custom variables can be used for creating personal invitations, segmenting data, and corresponding data back to your database. Custom variables are imported in your email list or populated via the survey URL and hold additional information that gets passed to the survey and ultimately gets stored with survey responses. If you uploaded state codes into a custom variable, for instance, you'd be able to set up groups based on that variable so you could run separate analysis for each. Let's create a system variable-based grouping based on a custom variable that's been set up in the account of Bob and Terry's Ice Cream. Custom 1 has been populated with state codes so that we can create a group for the East Coast region. We'll enter state codes in a comma-separated list that represent the Northeast into the Custom 1 field. Click on Finish and Continue, and at the bottom of the screen, you'll see our new system variable-based group appears with our other previously created groups. In this area, you'll also see our report options. We can run comparison reports. We can view the familiar summary report, or we can view open-ended text, Excel, PowerPoint, or Word reports.